first ever one you've clicked on from me. God damn it, this car burbles and pops worse than that friggin' Fiesta.
I can turn it off.
Yeah, just turn it off and
Sport mode.
So, first ever video you've seen with me. My name's Adam Ivor and I'm joined today by Gus King, at Gus
W King.
W King. That'll be around, probably over there somewhere. So yeah, go give him a follow on Instagram because he's been kind enough to bring his Mini Cooper down today. So we can talk about what it is. It's a 2013 factory.
R56. FJCW.
FJCW.
Yeah, it's just like, you get some JCWs that are like, it's just a normal Mini and then it's sort of gone through the factory to sort of have a JCW sort of like tuning kit.
Okay.
Obviously from, I think it's 2012 onwards, or I don't know what the actual dates or whatever are, but yeah, FJCW, basically it comes as it is, everything done from factory kind of thing.
So what sort of power does this one
from factory they make 211, just out of 1.6
It's a
turbo.
proper lively little hot hatch then.
Yeah, it's good fun. This is Manic Stage 2, so it makes 279 horsepower and 297 foot-pound of torque. I think it's 243 and a half at the wheels. So
nice, man. So you before this had a, we'll fill people in so they know.
Oh yeah, I had a Polo GTI before this.
And look at that! It's got a fucking Rocket Bunny kit on it.
That is, oh god.
It's an E92 with a Rocket Bunny kit on it. You had a Polo GTI.
Yep.
DSG.
Yep.
Right.
Got bored of it.
Got bored of that, and you've now got this thing. So while we're in it, heading to where we're going to go, let's talk about it, man. What's your initial thoughts on owning this thing?
Best car I've had. I've had quite a few cars.
You have had quite a few cars.
Yeah.
I think this is my favourite looking one you've had, apart from that Clio.
That Clio was sick.
That was sick. Yeah. I'm a big Clio fan now.
Oh, that was the car that got me into it, really. I remember turning 18 and I was like, I want a 197. So
yeah, I think they're really nice cars.
Got a 197, and
but
as much as my parents hated how much it cost me to insure it.
this car itself, from in here, it looks wicked.
Yeah.
I love all the little carbon fibre bit. Super nice design dash. You've got everything you need in the middle. This is the thing with the Minis now.
Everyone likes that though.
Yeah,
I like it.
I like it too. I drove an R53 Mini.
Yeah, the supercharged one.
Yeah, and it was sick. I loved it. The noise is awesome now you've turned the pops and bangs off. Them pops and bangs are just constant.
But you haven't heard them properly though.
Oh my god!
It's too much.
And that's standard from factory, or is this?
That's what I mean. So with Minis, the sport mode on them, it just enables pops and bangs. So as soon as you map them, they just like, it's not like a pop and bang map or anything like that, but as soon as you map a Mini, it just makes them go stupid.
That is ridiculous.
I know, and it chucks like 2 foot flames. Like, my missus hates it.
Have you taken this on a track day yet or anything?
I haven't. I've got one coming up with a good friend of mine called Jake, who's got a McGann RS250.
Nice.
And first one in this and first one for him, because he's just got rid of his Polo GTI as well. He had a 9N3. Okay. And that thing was savage, like 280 horsepower diff and everything. So both sort of just changed, and we're going to go to Snetterton, I think, at the end of next month.
Well, let me know. I'll come.
I'll confirm the dates and get it all booked up and that, but it should be a good day. But yeah, we'll get some, try and get a few cars.
So let's talk about some mods that you've done to it then. You said about that stage 2
Yeah. So
map thing.
All supporting mods for stage 2. So with the Minis, they're really easy. So all I've needed to do is I've got a Miltech catless downpipe, I've got an ITG panel filter, a Ford intercooler, Colder NGK like plugs. Just ones, the 1320 Mini who mapped it, they recommended them plugs.
Okay.
So.
And you got BC Racing coilovers.
BC Racing coilovers.
With upgraded springs.
Yeah, it's got custom spring rates. I can't actually remember what they actually are.
You can get BC coilovers from the link down below. What else have we got on here then?
What
exhaust is it? Is it the John Cooper Works?
Factory is literally standard exhaust.
Okay.
So all it's got is the downpipe, it's standard exhaust, but I have taken the middle box out.
Okay.
Just to be an Aspa. Yeah, why not? Rear, it's got a diffuser from a Mini challenge car, like an actual challenge car. Okay. It's got the orange G-Wing spoiler, which is, it looks like the factory GP spoilers you see on the older Mini. So yeah, it's just, it looks like one of them. It's got forged rear adjustable control arms, just tight in nicely. I say the front, the coilovers also got obviously, camber adjustable top mounts and stuff, and dampen adjustment and whatnot. What else have I done? Wheels, I've got 3 sets of wheels at the moment, so I've just put these on. If you've seen them,
these ones are amazing.
Yeah, these are the OZ Legendas. Slightly narrower than what I had before. They're 17x7, but they sit a bit nicer and allow them a bit more room for stuff.
Activities.
Yeah, we were just mentioning Pilot Sport 4s. I did have R888s, but they're a bit too much for the road, so I took them off.
And are they still on some other wheels that you got
Yeah, I've got them at home. I've got some Team Dynamics that I've actually just sold actually though. So yeah, the tyres have gone now with Team Dynamics, but I've got another set of OZs at home and a set of mini GP wheels that my friend has lent me.
It's super nice. Obviously these minis have got every commodity you'll ever need in a modern car anyway.
It's got a high spec one. I say it's got Harman card and all the nice bits. Best bit is this. Look at that cubby hole.
Oh yeah.
How good is that cubby hole?
Rear seats. That's
no, yeah. So it's got a carbon rear strut brace that joins where the standard seats clip in the back, and then it's just got the OEM seat delete from Mini that comes in the GP2s.
That's rad.
So yes, that's an OEM piece from BMW Mini. They're just a seat delete. So
yeah, that's cool.
I think that's pretty much it really. I don't know what else I've done.
We'll have a look around the outside because you might remember some stuff. We'll have a look under the bonnet. We'll show people around the car.
I've only had it 4 months, so I'm trying to do everything I can as quick as possible. I ordered seats, didn't I?
Yeah, you got some seats on order as well.
Yeah, so
which, you can also get through us.
You can also get through.
Right, let's pull up and we'll have a look around the outside.
Gus, we're on the outside of the whip.
Yo.
Talk me through it then. What's standard on this and what isn't? Because you've got to remember, I don't really know much about these minis. What comes from factory on this?
Most of it, as you see, is factory. Bumpers are factory. Literally all bodywork front is all factory. The only thing you'll see at the back is the wing and the diffuser. Everything else, bodywork wise, is
Okay, so on the back here we've got the wing that you were saying about, and I assume this is the brand, yeah? Cool. Well, if anybody wants one with one of these minis, then this is the diffuser off the Cup car, yeah?
Challenge car. Yeah.
Challenge car. Sorry, challenge car. There we go.
So they do an OEM one from the GP2, which is a bit more subtle, but the challenge one looks aggressive as hell.
It does look really, it looks almost like Batmobile style diffuser on there. Obviously got your personal plate. It looks cool. So this is a John Cooper Works.
Although it's annoying, I need to get a new badge because all the red paint.
Oh yeah, all the colours come. Yeah. So, and then here we have these new wheels, and I really like the stance that it gives the car. Real track vibes. It's really cool. And you use this for track, yeah?
Yeah, so that's going to be the main purpose.
And these tyres are the Michelin Pilot Sports?
Yeah, Pilot Sport 4s they are.
Pilot Sport 4s. Nice, man. It was a proper rad little car. Let me check out the brakes.
Yeah, so it's just OEM Brembo 4 plates.
OEM. Yeah. Well, it's a proper aggressive little hot hatch. I love hot hatches, so I'm glad you brought it down for me to have a look at. Can you pop the pop the bonnet? Let's check out under there. So under here we've got the little power plant. So what size engines are in these?
So
these
it's a 1.6.
They're only 1.6s still.
1.6 turbo.
I thought that was 2 litre. So you got a 270 something brake from a 1.6.
280 horsepower. Not bad.
280 horsepower.
So this is a 2013 car, so they get the newer N18 engine. Less problematic than the, I think it is pre-2012 ones. They're an N14.
Right.
And they get all sorts of issues. So if you're going to buy one that's
a big old strut brace as well.
Yeah,
look
so I
at
got
that.
the other day. M7 strut brace. Goes nice over top of the adjustable coilovers. Yeah. So it's all fun.
We are now inside the Mini. Got a nice little steering wheel. It's got some suede on there as well, which is quite cool from a factory.
Even it is all bubbly though.
Yeah, man.
It's a bit worn.
Bit all your sweaty ass hands.
That's OEM as well, yeah.
Then we've got the carbon down here on the John Cooper Works, suede on bottom as well, so we've got leather on the side. Rev counter in the middle, carbon fibre, John Cooper Works, shift knob and handbrake cable. You said that's like, ooh. Needs fixing, yeah?
Yeah, well what it is, when you buy them, they don't come with like a clip to secure it properly, so the OEM one just clips in, whereas those ones you have to glue.
Oh, okay.
But I've basically just longed it off and not glued it in case I sell it, because then it's just stuck there forever. And I sell it, I'll make it. So it doesn't actually annoy me, it just looks shit.
Pretty average, everything inside. You got the air conditioning and all that sort of malarkey. The coolest cubby hole ever.
Let's push it a bit harder. Look at that. What more can you want?
Then in the back here is that netting that we spoke about. Just there with the seat delete, which I think is rad that Mini even offer that. Oh, and you've got a carbon fibre strut brace in the back, yeah.
ourselves. I don't want to get arrested, obviously, and
don't want to break my car either.
I don't want to crash. So,
the first gear doesn't work.
God, the bangs are popped. God, dude.
Turn it off if you want.
No, leave it on.
You like that, yeah?
Yeah. I see what you mean about the clutch. It's very spongy, isn't it? So what things do you love about this thing?
Everything about the way it drives, like, and the thing I like the most is with some cars, especially hot hatches, you feel like you're sort of.
You got 6 gears.
Yeah. It feels like you're sat on top of them. Whereas in this, obviously, I know my seat's not all the way down, but like you feel in it, and there's so much visibility everywhere.
The windows are
like,
massive.
even with a sunstrip. Like,
yeah.
It's just the visibility is good. I mean, it's quite stiff for these roads, I think. But
you don't run this on really hard, do you?
Not at the moment. I mean, at the moment it's set quite hard. I was playing a bit yesterday.
Okay. I'm not going to be hooning it too much. I just wanted to get a bit of a go in it, you know, get a bit of a initial reaction to it. What things do you not like about this car?
The only thing that does bug me is the amount of things that are like an option from factory. Like, in my opinion, like my Clio 197 came with Recaros from factory. Like Corsa VXRs, Recaros from factory.
Yeah.
Like, it's not really, I know like this can be an option thing, but in this, like, it's a 30+ grand Mini from factory.
Is that what they are?
Yeah, and yet I've got some crappy half leather cloth seats out of a Mini 1. Like, that bugs me. I just don't think that should be a thing. To be fair, other than that though, it drives amazing. I love it.
Cool, you get some torque steer.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's fast though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is quite fast. The torque steer's a bit scary, man. Like, I suppose you shouldn't really be hooning it through villages anyway, should you? So it shouldn't really be.
I don't care.
It's nice though. It's nice. It's responsive.
Yeah. Brakes work well, accelerates fast. I think the most thing you'll know, like, I mean, I know at the moment we're on like sort of twisty back lanes, but like.
I don't actually know where we're going, by the way.
That's right. But on like a roundabout and sort of like proper drive, you really get a feel of how like nimble it is.
Oh, I like how it pops on the change as well.
Yeah.
I mean, it pops the whole time, it seems,
yeah,
but
it's
like,
ridiculous.
yeah, it feels great, man. I really like it. I like how fast it is as well. It's nice.
Yeah, that's the thing that surprises a lot of people.
Usable power for sure.
That's what I mean. Like, it's such a usable amount of power. I know 280 seems like a lot in a front-wheel drive car.
I'm gonna tell you something I don't like about it right now. It's this suede on the top of the wheel.
Because
it's
bubbly.
worn, and
Yeah,
it's like,
so annoying.
if it was new, it'd feel nice.
It's
But
so
I think
good.
sweaty
It's annoying,
hands
isn't it?
kind of
it
ruined
does,
it. Yeah, that's a bit shit. I'd probably try and get that redone. I love the carbon fibre everywhere in here though. It's really nice.
It's a nicely built car. Obviously, I say it's not a real Mini. It's a BMW, isn't it? So.
But it is what it is now, isn't it? You know.
But no, I enjoy it a lot. I think it's the best car I've owned. So I've got so many more plans for it. So cooler works, shifter next, roll cage. Once the seats are in, then next on the list really is probably more like maintenance side of stuff. So I've got to get a new clutch. So TTV do a kit. So it's just a clutch that can handle more power and more torque, along with a Quaife LSD.
Okay, cool. The steering's really responsive.
I know, what's weird, if I take it out of sport mode, feel how much lighter the steering is.
Oh my goodness! Put it back on real quick. Put it back on.
Right, so put it on. Now, how stiff is it?
This is how I like it.
Yeah. So when you're
take it off.
cruising like through town,
Wow, that's bizarre.
like it's the light, like you can literally turn your finger, and obviously no pops or anything without sport. So you can make it like the most.
Yeah, like a normal-ish car. I mean, it's still loud.
It's still loud as hell.
But like, but mate, that steering, the difference in
That's
steering
mad,
is
isn't it?
wild. Yeah, that's real. I was not expecting that at all.
No, but so when it comes to like going home, like going through my estate, take it out of sport mode and just like
Driving a normal minute. How do I put it back in the stupid mode?
There you go.
Okay, cool.
One button, and it's stupid again.
Yeah, I'd have it in this mode the whole time.
Yeah.
I'd just prefer how the steering feels.
Yes, I do.
Is there any way to keep this steering feel but have the pops and bangs off? There isn't. Okay, that's annoying. But
It's annoying.
yeah.
The thing
Like,
is,
it is just a bit Asbo, isn't it?
it is
Like,
too much. Yeah, that is the only thing. That's my only complaint.
No,
But,
man, this is nice. I really do like it. Like I said, the stuff I don't like is definitely this steering wheel. How it's
I mean, I'm going to get it trimmed, I think.
Yeah,
There's a place called Royal Steering Wheels that my friends have been to. Recommended work. I'm just going to go full out Cantara with red 12 block band, I think.
Yeah, cool.
That should look quite nice.
Sweet. Thank you very much. Let me have a go. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I dislike. The pops and bangs are a bit much.
Yeah, they
I'm gonna
are.
go up here because I want to get some rolling shots. So you go
Yeah, they
up.
do annoy me. They can. But the thing is, like, when you're on the way to work and you're not being a dick all the time,
Yeah,
it's
Like,
alright.
you'd probably be driving similar to this, 40 odd miles an
Yeah, like, shut up.
Right, one more question, yeah. When buying one of these, what do you have to look out for? What are there unreliability issues or
With the
anything like that?
N18, so like I said earlier, previously, as long as you're getting one that's sort of 2013 onwards, the engine is pretty solid. But it's the N14 you have to worry about. Don't get me wrong, they're still a good car, they make good power, they make the same as this, like they're good. But they have timing chain problems. Okay. And I think it's called like the death rattle or something. And there's a lot of things that have just been revised for this one than there was on the previous one.
So many have almost resolved.
Yeah, they've resolved most issues. I mean, touch wood, I've not run into any issues yet, but I'm sure there will be some. But I don't know how to report back.
Well, there's another little thing I quite like.
Go on.
You get the date on the dashboard.
Yeah, I didn't even. Yeah, I mean. One thing I do like about this car is how good it is on fuel. Even if you're being a total idiot, yeah, it's still good on fuel. Yeah. Like, so our overall average of driving today is 32.3 to the gallon.
Wow. Okay, that's fantastic.
Like if you're being an absolute, like, if I reset it, I'd probably be a bit less. But I mean, on like an average sort of weekday going to work and back up the A12, I can get 40, 44 plus.
That's insane.
Like
you almost bought a hybrid.
That's what I mean. Exactly. That's what I mean.
Gus, thank you so much, my dude, for coming down and letting me do a video.
When does more mods will go again?
Yeah, definitely. I hope this has been a decent enough video. It's a bit spur of the moment. I knew nothing about these before coming out in it, but having a go in it was awesome. The pops and bangs are annoying but cool at the same time. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, and I really appreciate letting me have a go, dude. So I really hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you smack a like on the video to show some love,
and don't forget to follow my Instagram.
Don't forget to follow his bloody Instagram.
Gus W King.
I'll put it under your edge. Right, cheers guys. See you later.
Peace.